Fennel seeds are a powerhouse of flavor and health, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that offer numerous benefits. These small, aromatic seeds come from the fennel plant, Foeniculum vulgare, and have been used for centuries in various cultures, both in cooking and as a natural remedy. Their slightly sweet, licorice-like taste makes them a popular ingredient in a variety of cuisines, while their health-boosting properties make them a staple in traditional medicine. Rich in dietary fiber, antioxidants, and compounds such as anethole, fennel seeds contribute to overall well-being in numerous ways. They are known for improving digestion, regulating blood pressure, and promoting weight loss, among other benefits. Whether consumed raw, roasted, or infused in tea, fennel seeds provide a natural and effective way to support health. What are the health benefits of fennel seeds in daily life? Nutritional profile of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are nutrient-rich and low in calories, offering a range of health benefits. They are packed with vitamins C, E, and K, supporting immune health, skin, and bone strength. Minerals: calcium, magnesium, zinc, potassium, selenium, and iron for strong bones, heart health, and oxygen transport. Antioxidants: polyphenols that reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. Fiber: aids digestion and supports weight management. Anethole: an organic compound with anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and anti-cancer properties. Extraordinary health benefits of fennel seeds. 1. Improved digestion. Fennel seeds are great for your digestive system. Their essential oils help your body produce digestive juices and enzymes, which makes digestion easier. They contain compounds like anethole, fenchone, and estragole that reduce spasms and inflammation, helping with constipation, indigestion, and bloating. Drinking fennel tea can be especially beneficial for a healthy digestive tract. Additionally, fennel seeds are high in fiber, which supports digestion and overall heart health. A higher fiber intake, as provided by fennel seeds, is linked to a lower risk of heart disease. 2. Regulating blood pressure. Fennel seeds play a significant role in regulating blood pressure due to their high potassium content. Potassium helps balance the body's fluid levels and counteracts the effects of sodium, which can contribute to elevated blood pressure. By supporting the relaxation of blood vessels and improving overall cardiovascular function, fennel seeds contribute to maintaining healthier blood pressure levels. Consuming fennel seeds regularly can be part of a balanced diet aimed at reducing the risk of hypertension and supporting long-term heart health. 3. Reduces asthma and other respiratory issues. Fennel seeds can benefit your respiratory health. They contain phytonutrients that help clear sinuses and offer bronchial relaxation. This can reduce symptoms of asthma, bronchitis, and congestion, making it easier to breathe. Promotes weight loss. Fennel seeds are high in fiber, which can help with weight loss by keeping you full and curbing hunger. They act as diuretics and boost metabolism. Eating fennel seeds daily, along with a balanced diet and exercise, can support weight loss. For best results, try having roasted fennel seed powder with warm water on an empty stomach. The high fiber content helps control appetite and prevent overeating. 4. Improves skin health. Fennel extract is great for your skin. It protects against damage from free radicals and helps skin cells last longer. Rich in minerals like potassium, selenium, and zinc, fennel seeds balance hormones and maintain proper oxygen levels in your blood. They can help treat skin issues like acne, rashes, and dryness. 5. Boosts milk production. Fennel seeds can help increase milk production for new mothers. The compound anethole in fennel seeds stimulates milk secretion by acting like the hormone estrogen. This makes fennel seeds a popular choice for promoting lactation. 6. Cleanses the blood. Fennel seeds help purify the blood by flushing out toxins from your body. Their essential oils and fiber support blood purification and overall detoxification. 7. Fresh breath. Fennel seeds are great for freshening breath. They contain a special oil with antibacterial properties that help kill the bacteria causing bad breath. Chewing a few fennel seeds increases saliva, which helps clean your mouth. Just munching on 5 to 10 fennel seeds can be a simple and effective way to freshen your breath. 8. Helps prevent cancer. Studies suggest that fennel seeds may have anti-cancer properties. Their strong antioxidants help fight oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals, which may reduce the risk of cancer. 9. reduces gas and acidity. Fennel seeds can help reduce gas and acidity. They have great digestive properties and an antimicrobial effect, mainly from the compound anethole. This helps your digestive system work better, easing bowel movements and reducing gas buildup. The antimicrobial properties also prevent harmful bacteria from producing gas, making fennel seeds beneficial for easing digestive discomfort. 10. Supports better eyesight. Fennel seeds are good for your eyes. They contain vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision. Fennel seed extract has also been used in the past to help treat glaucoma. 11. Relief from menopausal symptoms. Fennel seeds may help ease menopausal symptoms. They can provide relief from hot flashes, improve sexual function, reduce vaginal dryness and itching, help with sleep problems, and lessen pain during sex. The estrogen-like compounds in fennel seeds may help balance hormone levels, offering a natural way to manage menopausal symptoms and improve quality of life. 12. Promotes heart health. Adding fennel seeds to your diet can benefit heart health. They are high in fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and reduce heart disease risk. Fennel seeds also provide essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which support heart function. Potassium, in particular, helps lower high blood pressure, a key factor in preventing heart disease. Ways to use fennel seeds. Here are some creative ways to incorporate fennel seeds into your daily diet. Infused tea. Stir a teaspoon of fennel seeds into your tea for an added burst of flavor. Savory seasoning. Add fennel seeds to curries, soups, and stews to give them a subtly sweet, licorice-like taste. Salad topping. Sprinkle toasted fennel seeds on salads to add a crunchy texture. Flavorful marinades. Blend crushed fennel seeds into marinades for meats or veggies to enhance their flavor. Baking ingredient. Mix fennel seeds into bread, muffins, or cakes to introduce a distinctive taste. Roasted snack. Roast fennel seeds and season them with salt for a simple, healthy snack. Experiment with these methods to find your favorite way to enjoy fennel seeds. The bottom line: embracing fennel seeds in your daily routine offers a delightful way to enhance both flavor and health. Their diverse benefits, from supporting digestive health to boosting skin and heart health, make them a versatile addition to any diet. By incorporating fennel seeds in creative ways, you can enjoy their unique taste and reap their numerous advantages. Explore these ideas and discover how this small seed can make a significant impact on your overall well-being. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Wishing you great health, wealth, and happiness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and updates.